Good morning, everybody. Third year, third twin drift. And Frank and I are gonna try not to embarrass ourselves again, like we did last year.
That was your fault.
It happens, but we're here anyway. There's a lot of cars, as you can see. I mean, it's stiff competition around here. We got famous YouTubers, we got famous local drivers, we got cars that look way better than ours. Yeah, that's where we're at.
So for those of you that don't know what Danny may be talking about, 2 years ago, these two had a great competition, placed third. And last year, we didn't get a video, but based off of what happened, it looks like there wasn't much of a video to get because they sucked. Is that about right?
Yeah, I'd say so.
First turn leading into the second turn is boogieing up this hill.
These up major points are going over those white cars. That one over last year's courses.
So how you feeling about that?
We'll make it work. It is what it is. We're here already.
Let's fix your
I paid
shifter.
for it,
We
so
have to fix your shifter.
I had to fix my shifter.
Just look natural. It's okay. It's fine.
Just look normal.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yep.
Okay.
So everybody's pretty much out for warm-ups, getting in line and everything. The chief complaint that everybody seems to have is that this layout is a little bit tighter than previous years. So it's gonna be super awesome to see how everybody adapts to it. There's a ton of drivers, and like Danny and Frank mentioned, a ton of really skilled drivers with some awesome cars. So hoping you guys are enjoying the footage.
So I feel better. I feel better than I did earlier. I was definitely nervous getting back in the seat. So we switched it up halfway through practice. I went in the follow position and I aired down a little bit, softened up the rear suspension, and now the car's got bite. I'd say we got pretty close. You'll see, I think we did okay. Do we want to go for perfect line, maybe a little bit more space, or do we want to have shoddy line, but like in his door? To be determined.
Everything he just said, he basically took from me.
Fuck yeah.
Tell me how you're feeling about today.
Am I supposed to speak like in a nice, gentle voice? So today's been a good day. We've been driving really nicely. Danny is over there. He's eating right now. He's also been doing quite well. Usually he complains. I'm sure he's gonna come here and say something stupid.
You're doing an interview right now?
Yeah, no, you don't. You're not supposed to talk. Don't whisper. Just talk in a low tone.
How close do you want to get to this microphone?
You're supposed to get close.
Like how close?
Because everyone likes what is it called? ASMR?
Oh yeah.
No, that's not. That's not a therapeutic tone. And then, would you?
So yeah, all the warm-up sessions are pretty much done. Everybody had a really good time. Frank and Danny were starting to look really, really good. Very close, good proximity, good lines. Kind of just hanging out at this point, checking out all the cars. Everybody's about to start off with the real competition in about 15-20 minutes. So I guess we'll see if there's any surprises, and hopefully the boys can put up a good show.
What am I supposed to do with that? What am I supposed to do with that? Damn it!
Y'all did good.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure actually being on this show, and I'm glad that you think we're doing well because it means a lot to me.
See, in like 2 spots we're going over the line, and we need to dial that in. So I'm gonna like try and pay attention this time, and we'll make some adjustments and hopefully make it to the whatever. I think it's top 8 is the top selection. So we'll see what we can do.
Keep it going.
I just want to say, Dom walked over between our cars. You know, he always has something to say, in a good way. He means well, but he always has something to tell you. But this is the only time I think I've ever experienced that Dom had nothing to say to neither me nor Danny, which that alone is an accomplishment of a lifetime, and I'm very happy I've lived long enough to experience it.
Can we buy those like tiny mics? I think no, like the ones that look like little microphones. We did way better than we thought we were going to do. We'll see if that's enough to get us in the top 8. The judges are doing their thing right now, wherever they are. Car feels great. It's running really well. Frank's driving really well, real consistent. And we were like whatever in the beginning, and we had a lot of fun. So I'm like, that's kind of it. It's just nice to drive. So I think everybody's here. Like, we got the whole gang out. You know, we got a whole group. You see our shirts? Come on now. This should say sponsored by Slippy Grip, but we have to get monetized first, so like, comment, subscribe.
Alright, so the way it's gonna work now is top 8's gonna line up in whatever order you guys want, whoever makes it up there. And then it's gonna be 2 runs back to back. Okay. Alright?
Unfortunately, the boys did not make the top 8. We kind of felt like they probably...
They got robbed. They got absolutely robbed. This is complete BS. We're organizing a protest.
No, we really thought that they did well. Unfortunately, there was a lot of really talented drivers here today, too. Yeah, so they just wrapped up the top 8 runs. We're waiting to see what the judges have decided. We have a strong feeling we already know who won. I'm pretty sure everybody watching this video already know who won too, but yeah, so we're gonna see what those final thoughts are from the judges. Check that out and kind of enjoy the day as it's winding down.
So we had a good day. I think we did very well. I'm happy. I'm happy with how things turned out. I think Danny, I love Danny, but he needs to hit me. And he doesn't want to hit me. And I don't blame him. Like, he doesn't want to mess up his car. I mean, I painted his bumper yesterday, so it's like, even if he did hit me, like, I did the work, so it's not even a big deal. Casper's gonna watch this and just be very confused and excited. And I hope that he maybe makes this into like an alarm or something. He could wake up to my voice every day. He can go to sleep to my voice every day. If he wants, he could just call me. If anyone wants to call me and wants to hear me talk, maybe I should start a service doing this.
Anything you want to say about today?
Yeah, I mean, listen, there was a lot of good drivers out here today. We had fun. That was really all that was the main point. And I'm gonna go out and do some loser laps.
I know this is probably pretty annoying that we were doing this mic thing, but we kind of thought it was funny, so we just decided to roll with it for the rest of the video. If you're watching this ending of the video, that means that we have successfully and finally monetized the channel. So just a quick shout out and thank you to all the viewers, all the supporters, all the subscribers. Thank you guys so much. It's been really cool. We know we're not the most consistent channel out there. We try to put out as much as we can while, you know, dealing and moving around other life occurrences. But thank you for the continued support. We hope you enjoy our stuff and we hope you continue watching. So see you soon.